Tom with Cook with Jax. Today we've got a product review. We have picked up the GameDay grill, an all-inclusive grill here that really is great for travel. Weighs very little, about 7 pounds, somewhere right around that range. Heats up extremely quick. We're going to try it out. We're going to see how that works today. Everything is right here, and this stays cool to the touch supposedly, so we're going to try it out. It's got a little fan in the front to help control the heat, as well as kind of get that fire started on minimal charcoal, I'm told. So let's get it started and let's see what happens. We've been heating up about 5 to 6 minutes, and we've got some great heat going on here. I've turned the fan down slightly. We are probably sitting at about 250, 300 degrees right on top. We're going to throw some brats on there and try that. But what's really cool is this comes with a lighter gel, which is all natural, and then also some briquettes and that awesome bag too. So really handy. But you know what? Here's the cool thing too. This is not hot on the outside. So kind of a good safety feature there. Let's get some brats on this. Folks, we've had our brats on for a little while here. They are cooking outstanding. I did a temperature check using a infrared thermometer, and we get about 450 degrees right in the middle here. It starts to dissipate as you move out from it, but again, the outside is cool. For safety, that's outstanding. Doesn't look like this stainless steel grate. It's going to be hard to clean. Very pleased with the results. Hey, look, this Grill Time GameDay grill is a winner by me. If you're looking for something to get out there, camping, tailgate, and you want to throw some burgers and some dogs, maybe some brats, something like that on here, some vegetables probably be really awesome on here, or some fish. I'm not doing a steak on here, though. I don't think you're getting quite enough temperature out of this to really get that char on the steak, but it's a winner with all the accessories you get. Pick this up. We have it on our website, cookwithjax.com. Unleash flavor in every bite.